Hey guys, all you need is two skill. First skill is to speak and another skill is to read. Okay, if you are having these two skills, then you can definitely start earning good amount of money with this strategy. Now this strategy is really interesting and not anyone has shared this strategy before on this YouTube. So I'm going to share this strategy with you, and if you are really passionate about this and really going to be working on it, then there is a great chance that you could be making a good amount of money out of it. Okay, I'm not gonna say that you are gonna get rich overnight, but you can definitely make your first step and start working towards it, and you can be making good amount of money, and it won't take a very long period of time for you to get on this strategy and start making some money with this strategy. So definitely keep watching this video till the end, because everything will be explained in detail in this video. It's gonna be a long video. Grab some popcorn and sit here to watch it till the end. Now into our computer screen, and the first thing you need to do is press the subscribe button so that you will get all the information on make money online, affiliate marketing and online business. Okay, so now the first thing you need to do is you need to go to this particular, let me show you something which is really interesting and that is really catching up. A lot of people are doing this stuff. Okay, so now this is a particular video. Now you can see all this guy is doing is that he is just recording his screen, as well as he is giving some information about cryptocurrency, okay, Bitcoin, okay, that he must have got from some news source. So there are a lot of Bitcoin news sources, okay, and a lot of people are searching this on YouTube is about Bitcoin news or is about cryptocurrency news. A lot of people are searching this type of things, okay, and the thing is that the lot of people who are searching about all of this stuff are really someone who are interested in investing their money in Bitcoin or something like that, okay, on cryptocurrency. Now you can see this guy has this website which is linked over here. So he is absolutely an affiliate with cryptocurrency website, and that's why he is making a ton of money in this thing, because the thing is that he is just recording his screen, giving some cryptocurrency news, which I will show you where you can find, and you can just make a video just like this. I will just play for 2 seconds. So you can see he is just recording his screen and is just talking about whatever cryptocurrency news has been dropped, okay. So that's the first thing which this guy is doing, and the thing is that he has gained subscribers out of it, as well as he is making money through affiliate links with this, as well as if his channel gets monetized, he is gonna get a mammoth CPM, because if you are really making content about a cryptocurrency, then the CPM is going to be really very high, okay. So I'm going to show you how you can create this type of videos where you will find all the content about this, and all these things will be covered, as well as which affiliate program you can use, which screen recorder you are gonna use. Everything will be covered in this video. Keep watching this video till the end, grab some popcorn and enjoy everything, okay. You don't need to show your face. All you need to do is talk about some of the points. That's it, okay. So now the first thing, you just knew what type of channel you are going to create, okay. So this is the first idea which I am going to show you, okay. Now the thing is that you can just go to this website that is called news.bitcoin.com, okay. Now this is the website from where you can get a lot of news about Bitcoin. It is going up, it is going down, it is whatever is happening in the crypto world. This is one of the website where you can get all the news, as well as there are many other tons of website on internet where you can get all the latest cryptocurrency news. All you need to do is just read some of the articles out of this website, okay, and you just need to make some news points, okay, and then you just have to talk about this news and provide that information to the people regarding what is going to happen with this cryptocurrency. Or you can see all this news is coming up, you can just read some of the news and just elaborate it in your own words. Now I'm going to show you how you can do that, okay. Now the thing is that this guy has some extra information about this, that's why he is able to speak about this freely, okay. But now I'm going to show you an idea, okay. So you have read an article and you have got the idea of what is this news about. What you can do is that you can just create Google Slides, okay, and just place 5 to 10 news in the Google Slides of yours, okay. And then all you need to do is just show people the Google slide over here, recording your screen, and you just need to read the news whatever is there in the Google slide. That's the easiest thing you can do, okay. You just need to read the news, make some bullet points out of it, and just put them into Google Slides, and all you need to do is then record your screen. Now how you can record your screen, you don't need to show your face, okay. All you need is your own voiceover. That's the one thing which you require, because 2 skills are required for this. One is reading and another is speaking, okay. Now the thing is that you just need to download this free OBS Studio software that is available absolutely for free, and it's an open source screen recording software. You just need to download this to your computer and then you can record all this stuff, okay. You can record this type of videos which I am recording myself on this computer, is what type of videos you can also record for yourselves, okay. And you can just give all the information, or you can just write down bullet points about whatever the news is, and after that you just need to read that news or talk about that news simply. And the thing is that you just need to record your screen using this OBS Studio. That's really one of the simplest things to do. Let me show you an example, okay. So today I am going to talk about, so here I am recording myself. All you need to do is just start the recording, but click the start recording button on OBS Studio, and you just have to speak like 5 things about cryptocurrency, okay. So in this video I'm going to show you 5 latest news about cryptocurrency, and after that you can continue. The first news is like that cryptocurrency is going to grow to 1000%. So all this kind of stuff, and that's it. What this guy is talking is the same.
Look here, BTC dominance.
Now you can see it's not the best of voiceover, but the thing is that it works, okay. Now you just need to do this, okay. So in this way you are gonna create a very simple videos, okay, very simple videos regarding this, okay. Now the next thing is that you will be monetizing your channel from the first day, from the first video which you upload, okay. Now you can see this guy is partner with some affiliate program, okay. That is cryptocurrency affiliate program or cryptocurrency sharing affiliate programs, okay. So now let me show you a cryptocurrency affiliate program which you can join, and it pays you really big amount of money, because the people who are interested in cryptocurrency are the people who are interested in investing money in cryptocurrency. And if they come to your video and then they click towards the link in the description, then you can just go to Coinbase, okay. Now this is the biggest platform where people buy and sell cryptocurrency, okay. So all you need to do is go to this platform and sign up, become an affiliate, okay. Just click on this link and you will see this is a cryptocurrency buying and selling platform. So you just need to provide all your information, and after that you are just ready to go, okay. So once you have filled all the information, you will get your affiliate link. Then you just need to go to this website, find out some cryptocurrency news, and just start creating some very simple videos. As well as what you can do is that this is something which is your personal choice. You can just go to one of the cryptocurrency website, just turn on your screen recorder, and all you need to do is just purchase a cryptocurrency and record a small tutorial about it, like I am going to purchase cryptocurrency worth $10. That's it. and that can be one of your video that you will be creating just like this. Then you can just create so many of this crypto news videos day by day, and the thing is that news is available every single day to you. You don't need to create your own content because every day some new news is going to come, okay? And the thing is that once a new news comes, you just need to go to record your screen and give that news to the people, okay? And then provide the affiliate link in the description of your video. In this way, you are not going to create any content. Entire cryptocurrency industry is going to create content for you, and you just need to deliver that news to the people, okay? And in this way, you will be setting up your entire YouTube channel based on cryptocurrency, okay? And in this way, you will be making money just by utilizing the power of cryptocurrency, talking about cryptocurrency and providing general news about cryptocurrency. I'm not going to say that you should invest a ton of money in cryptocurrency, but the thing is that you can just utilize and leverage this opportunity, because a lot of people in the world are interested in investing their money in cryptocurrency, and this is the hottest thing which is happening on internet, and you can be the one who would take advantage of this opportunity and start making some good money on the internet. So I hope you have understood the entire thing. Don't ask me how to use OBS Studio, because there are a ton of tutorials available on YouTube, on the entire internet. Just watch one or two of them and just learn, okay? Don't just go for very small things, or this is one of the smallest problem why people don't start, is because they just get afraid of the software. So softwares are the things which are easiest to use. All you need to do is just watch the tutorial, do the steps according to them, and you can really use all this software to record your screen. And in this way, you will be starting to make money online with Bitcoin, never creating your own content, just providing news about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. cryptocurrencies, and you will be sharing your affiliate links, starting to make money out of it. As well as, all you need to do is press the like button and smash the subscribe button if you got this strategy right, if you understood all the things which you can do to make some really good, really awesome money online. Because the thing is that cryptocurrency is really going very, very high, and it is one of the most trending topic of 2021. So this is a big opportunity for you. Do take advantage of this opportunity. Let me show you one extra thing, okay, about this. Trends.google. Just go to trends.google.com and just search for cryptocurrency. Just search for cryptocurrency, and you can see this is one of the really big trending topic. Now you can see this topic is really super duper trending, so there is a great chance that your channel may get viral about this, and you can start making money out of it, okay? I hope you have got the entire strategy and you will apply this strategy to make money online. So guys, this is that cool strategy which you can apply, and the thing is that it works absolutely with very minimum amount of effort, and anyone of you can do it and start earning some money out of it. As well as you can monetize it by the methods which I have shown. You can use affiliate marketing, you can use referral programs, as well as there are a ton millions of people who are searching for these terms on the internet, and that is Bitcoin. So you are going to utilize the power of cryptocurrency, the fame of cryptocurrency in your favor, and you will be making some good money with this strategy. I hope you got some value out of this video. Press the like button, smash the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.